My brother has gone to New York. My brother has been to New York. Which one should I use? Watch this video till the end and I will show you the difference between gone to and been to. Hello and welcome to English with Al. As you know, the verb go has two past participles with slightly different meanings. Gone and been. Look at this sentence. My brother has gone to New York. Where is my brother? Is he in New York? Yes, he is. He went to New York last week and he is still there. Now look at this one. My brother has been to New York. Did my brother go to New York? Yes, he did. Is he still in New York? No, he's not. He went to New York, but he came back. In a nutshell, we use been to for completed visits. And we use gone to say that someone is still visiting a place. Now it's your turn to write your examples in the comments below. See you!